We have a significant stormwater project, Penn Branch Stream Restoration. It is one of our larger urban streams within the city limits. It actually has about a little over 3 acres of watershed contributing to it, and it is at outfalls right above Lake Catherine. The goal is to have a stabilized bank because it not only includes masonry block, which we're installing modular block to replace some of the areas that have cracks, but also laying back the banks and putting vegetation to stabilize those banks and riprap. So as storm events come through, we expect it to be able to handle those higher velocities without undermining the foundation and have a safer channel for that stormwater to flow through. Our current project is completing from Brentwood down to Wood Lake, the whole section, and that went to construction at the end of last year, and we expect a 12-month construction period. This area was impacted by the flood of 2015, and when that flood came through, we had a lot of destabilization, undermining of foundations, also a lot of erosion and sediment that accumulated from the flood. There were a lot of public safety issues, walls were coming down, so we actually had identified this as a high priority project. For example, right there at Brennan and Trenham Road, we have a dry cleaner there that was right on Penn Branch and highly impacted by some wall issues, so we were able to go ahead and move that forward. That project came in around $2.3 million. We were able to get it quickly and work with the business owner to get that wall reestablished. A lot of constituents actually have their houses back right up to Penn Branch. That's why it is such a critical stream for us to make sure it's stable and we are able to address the vegetation, trees falling in, sediment, and walls that have undermined foundations and cracks. We want to address all that.